finally going through comments on YouTube, which, first off, some of y'all are crazy. Second off, some of y'all actually ask legitimate questions. Like this guy right here. He says, do you have a video that demonstrates high spots? Going to be applying Adam's kit in the future. I'm trying to look at how to prevent that. So I don't, but that's what we're going to do right now. Now, I've got some ceramic coated vehicles out there. I'm pretty sure they don't have high spots, which is great because you want to avoid that. So I don't have like a real life example to show you. So I tried to look online, and unfortunately it's really hard to see in pictures. It's going to be really obvious to see it in person, but this is somewhat like the best example I found. So if you look at this car, so the paint looks good, right? But see this spot, like right here, it's gonna look more like an oil slick, like on the car. So, okay, there's so much we can talk about here. Okay, what's a high spot? So most ceramic coatings are gonna come in these little tiny glass bottles, right? And you're gonna put them on an applicator, you're gonna put them on the paint, and then you're gonna level it, right? So the liquid that's in the little bottle, that is not actually your coating. That is a carrier for the coating. So what you need to do is, and every coating is different, so read the instructions on your coating. You need enough time for it to start to sit on the paint, to start to bond, but not so much time to where it's not gonna level evenly. If you get too much coating in one area, it's literally higher than the other coating. That's why it's called a high spot, and it's not gonna look right. Now, it's not the end of the world, like you can fix it, but it doesn't look good, and if you let it cure, then it's gonna be a pain to remove. So, again, it's hard to kind of speak generally because every coating's a little bit different, but typically what you're gonna do, actually, come with me, I'll show you. Typically, you're gonna start with like a low nap towel. Here we go, let's look at one of our detailing carts. That was just coated. Looks great. Okay, so this is what we use. So again, hopefully you can see like this is really like low nap. This is our first buffing towel. And then we come back with like a high GSM kind of big fluffy towel. So you start here and when you're buffing, you're not like pressing, right? Like think of it more like gently wiping, okay? Because we're not trying to like completely remove the coating. Think of it more buffing, leveling, whatever you want to call it, right? So we come in with this, and then you come in with this, and if you want to be really sure, you can actually, sometimes we'll have, if we're working in pairs, we'll have the person come back, the second person come back and do this again. Sorry, it's really loud in here. A lot going on. But yeah, looks great. Get back in here so you can hear. Okay, so yeah, first towel, second towel. Specifically for this guy with the Adams kit, I assume you're probably going to be talking about Adams graphene. Graphene's great. It's not the world's most amazing thing ever, like kind of people thought it was when it came out, but like it's not bad. I will say it can be hard to kind of buff. It's a little bit tougher. So make sure you're working. You want a well-lit environment. You want to be out of the sun. You want a cool environment. Your humidity will play a role in what your flash times are, basically how long before you're gonna buff. Adams, I don't know if they still have, but they used to have that like black light flashlight. Honestly, it was super helpful. If you have that, if you don't know what you're doing, I actually kind of recommend picking that up. If you know what you're doing, you're fine, don't worry about it, you don't need that. But if this is your first coating, it's not a bad idea because that'll really show you the high spots. So if you get a high spot, you want to catch it early. If you catch it early, by early I mean within the first like hour. So typically what you'll do is you'll take more coating, put on your applicator, go back over that area with a high spot, immediately buff. Okay, so normally if your flash time is 30 seconds, a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever it is, if you're fixing a high spot, don't worry about that. Put it on your applicator, immediately buff, and then that should remove the high spot. If that doesn't, that means it's probably started to cure, and now you either need a polish or wet sand. Again, if you catch it early within the first 24 hours, you should be able to polish it off and then just recoat, no big deal, don't worry about it. But the sooner you can catch it, the better. It's gonna make your life so much easier. So again, once you do the whole car, hopefully you can get around the car in about an hour. The coating process really doesn't take that long. It's all the prep process. But if you can get around the car in about an hour, then just go back and double check everything, especially all your edges. You'll think you buffed perfectly, and again, you'll still find a high spot. So hopefully that helps. Got any other questions, or if anybody else has any other questions, let us know.